So let's prepare our skin. My secret for the non-makeup look is the Revlon Glass Primer. That's very important, you guys, para magiging smooth yung paglalagay natin ng mga makeup. Next step is yung another primer, which is a illuminating primer. So, yan, another secret, you guys, para magiging smooth looking yung skin natin. And hindi magiging obvious yung foundation natin dyan. Next is yung foundation natin. So, I mixed the foundation with the lighter, the neutral beige, and the darker tan color. Kasi I cannot really find the perfect foundation for my skin if I only pick one foundation. So I have to buy two to get a perfect combination and perfect match for my skin. So I usually just use my foundation brush and dab it upwards and use a sponge, foundation sponge, so I can come up or achieve a smoother finish. So now I have this MAC corrector. It's an eye corrector and also dark spot corrector. So I use this first before I actually use my actual concealer. So this time I use a more porous sponge. It's softer than the foundation sponge that I used earlier. So make sure that I don't leave any dark spots uncovered. And just dab it with that softer sponge. And here we go. I'm ready for the actual concealer. It's the concealer stick. I really love it. I had to find the brand for you guys. I'm gonna link it down below. But I carry this around wherever I go to travel. It really works. And I do put concealer on my nose. Oh, sorry for the lighting there. And then I have to do a contour, a liquid contour as base before I use a pressed powder. So I use contour on the side. I don't do crazy contours just because it ruins the natural look that we're trying to achieve. So just a little bit there on my cheekbone, a little bit on my jawline, and on the contour on my nose. And as you know it, I have shorter nose really, so I don't really have to put contour at the bottom of my nose. So medyo malapit na tayong matapos, you guys, but I just have to dab again using the softer sponge. You dab with that contour foundation base and dab it until it blend in. I didn't even put a highlighter underneath the foundation or the contour liquid just because it would be very obvious. I have a tan skin and I have a natural tan, by the way, so I really have to be careful in using the highlighter. Dab, 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 dab. And now I got that. I'm baking. Now I baked the skin. I didn't show you guys the powder that I used, but I used compact pressed powder. I didn't use the translucent loose powder just because it creates a more natural look when I use a compact powder using my loose brush. And now I am going to use, actually I use also a water spray to get the product stick on my skin better. So I used a illuminating highlighter to create a fresh look. Use it on my eyelid. As you can see, I have a hooded eyelid, you guys, so it is a little bit hard for me to achieve the no makeup look that I am trying, but with the help of the illuminating highlighter, it's there. We got it, guys, we got it. So there it is, and I put a little bit of natural palette. That's a dark brown palette that I use. Dark brown and natural shades of brown. That's the palette that we are going to use to achieve a natural no makeup look. So I use a liquid eyeliner. Maganda to kesa eye pencil kasi it sticks better and you're in control. Para sa akin, putting on an eyeliner or winged eyeliner is very challenging sa akin kasi I sneeze every time. I don't know why. Maybe I'm allergic to the product, but I actually sneeze. Hindi ko lang pinakita sa video na to kasi it's embarrassing. But yeah, I sneezed there. That's why I have a little bit of smudge. But so I usually use cotton buds to clean it up. Now let's do the final touch sa mata ko using the falsies. I really love falsies, you guys. Yan lang hindi peke sa akin, sa mga nakita mo sa akin. But I love it so much. And then after that, I use eyebrows brush to shape my eyebrows. And then I put a nude lipstick with a hint of pink. I'll take off my hair, put it down, and voila! That's the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Have fun and have a good day. Bye!